How to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Snapchat's My Eyes Only password without having to lose your photos and videos inside it. So let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, go to your memories, just scroll up and then you're there. After you're there, go to My Eyes Only. Now here, if you've forgotten your password, tap on options here. And here you will see forgot password. If you tap on it, just type in your Snapchat's password and then your data inside will get lost. That is, it will get deleted, but you will be able to reset your password. But we don't want that. So the other method is go to your Bitmoji, just tap on it and go to your profile. After you're there, tap on this gear icon on the top right, scroll down all the way, and after you scroll down for a bit, you should see help. So let me see where that is. So there is the help center. Tap on help center. Now after you tap on help center, support will open up. After that, search for contact us button. Just scroll down for it and you should find it. After you tap on it, you will just head over to a next page. So just tap on it and there you will see some different options. Tap on I need help with my Snapchat feature. So here, scroll down, you will see the feature. Under feature, tap on memories. After you tap on using My Eyes Only, you will get this option here. Now what you'll need to do is tap on still need help, yes. Now here, type in your username, type in your email address and write a description, something like you have forgotten your password and you need the password and the pictures inside it because you have really important pictures, and write something like that and tap on submit, and Snapchat will get back to you on how you can reset your Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.